What's up, everybody? Little break from football, sorta, but Hurricane Mathew has gematria of 1122 and 187, which might not be a break from the football and what's going to happen in the future code, but expect a somewhat large death toll probably from Hurricane Mathew, even if they're not real. The hurricane's real, I know that for a fact, but the numbers they throw out there are most likely fabricated. I'm not going to say much, but because I'm a catastrophe adjuster, but it wasn't my claim, and I've seen them personally fabricate damage, so they manufactured their own damage, so just keep an eye out on that. I think they don't ask me how they know that Hurricane Mathew beforehand is going to happen, but I'm not getting into chemtrails and all that shit, and whatever else, but I'm pretty sure they knew this was going to happen for a long time. So, and I see the governor, the Governor Rick Scott of Florida. The headline is "It Will Kill." So, like I said, it has gematria of 187 and 1122, which 1122 again is the date of JFK's assassination, and this is the 53rd anniversary coming up of JFK's assassination, but right now it's 52 years, so I'll catch y'all later. It's just a little Hurricane Mathew gematria.